Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Appreciate y'all watching. Today I'm going to make a drink I can't pronounce very well. HUMUHUMUNUKUNUKUAPU'A. It's a Hawaiian fish, and the drink is named the same way. From Smuggler's Cove. Comes in at 22%. So let's get started. Calls for half of orgeat. I'm going to use Liber. And 2 gin, Hendrick's, recommended, Floral, from Scotland, 88 proof, 2. Smells good already. And 3/4 lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And 3/4 pineapple juice. The Dole 100% as usual. And 2 dashes of Peychaud bitters, not bitter at all. And I'm going to shake this dry. It's at 22%. I don't want to dilute it down. I've got a top of glass waiting here with some crushed ice. Okay, pour that in. And a straw. And there we have it. You can pronounce it better than me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.